2, 3.
Hi kids, welcome to the show. Today we are going to be digging a deep hole and see if I can fit in there. So let's get the truck out. John Deere excavator. You can talk and play too, Dad,
All right.
to the kids.
Yeah, all right. And that's good. Everything that's good at digging. We get 2 excavators.
And maybe this caterpillar one. Maybe this caterpillar one.
Yep. A couple of excavators down here. Let's start digging. Tyler's working on digging, and I'm working on digging.
But we have to get it away to make a hole.
Yeah.
Dad, can you wait till we get the other trucks out?
Yeah.
We'll need a front loader.
All right. Maybe push it back up over here in this spot.
Dad, did you push it back in?
No. I just broke it up.
More trucks. Oh, thanks. Now we're good. More trucks. Dozy wants to doze.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Good job, Doze.
Okay, I'm gonna doze this out. Let's make a hole.
Push it all up here.
Kids, is this fun?
Yeah.
Now let's doze it.
Good dozing. Now all the dirt's nice and soft. And Exky broke it up. And Fronty and Dozy are moving it out of the way.
I'm gonna put it into the dump truck. Let's put it into the dump truck instead.
Okay, good loading.
Can you
Good
move
idea.
the dump truck on over?
Yeah, here. Push them through. There you go.
I'll have a truck. That's Skitty.
Good work. Hello.
Hi,
You're doing good.
Skitty. Chunk. Skitty. Dad, talk to the kids too.
I am.
Show the camera to your face.
We're,
Let's load all this.
we're loading everything up.
Let's load all this into the dump truck.
Oh, I thought that's where the dump truck was dumping it.
Oh. Wait, then I'll just leave it here.
Keep it out of the way. And see, he takes it from there, he loads it up here. And then when we're done, we can push it all back and fill up the hole. What, babe?
Yeah, though. Oh, big medium taco.
He went rolling.
Huh?
He went rolling, kids.
Whoa!
Oh no, what happened?
Exky, I think Exky hit some dynamite.
Oh no.
Look, dynamite.
Dynamite, corn dynamite. It's disguised to look like corn. It's really dynamite.
Yeah. You gotta be careful with dynamite.
Yeah, you do.
Let's get this out of the sight.
Let's do it. Who'd be the best for
maybe,
that job?
I have a great idea. Maybe we should use the dynamite to break all this up.
Yeah.
But you say lower it in carefully.
Lower
so-
it in carefully,
So he's
Exy.
like, what should
Very
I
carefully.
tell you to drop it in the hole? He said, what should I tell you to drop it in?
What should we tell you to drop it in?
I don't know. But it'll blow everything up.
It will.
Oh! Ah!
Ah!
Ah! Ah!
All right, hold on. All right, welcome back, kids. We're gonna finish our show.
Little caterpillar excavator, you gotta be careful with dynamite. You don't know what it's like.
That was very scary when that
Yeah.
exploded, wasn't it?
Okay, let's just finish digging the hole.
Yeah, let's finish it up.
Dad, you talk to the kids.
I am.
Okay. Well, I think we should just throw it away. Said said there.
Kyler's throwing away the dynamite, so there's no more
Goodbye.
explosions.
Goodbye. We're gonna explode it over there. And exploded.
Good work. Kyler was getting rid of the dynamite, so no one gets hurt.
Now let's dig more.
Let's dig some more.
Okay, Dumpy. Oh,
Dumpy over there. Yeah.
let's make a hole.
Good job,
to see
Dumpy.
if I can fit in it.
I don't know if we can dig a hole big enough for us. Most of the time we can do that in sand. I don't think we can dig that far in this dirt.
I'm gonna use an easier moving truck.
An easier moving one? Like maybe this XK over here or Fronty over there?
Is
This
this
one-
one easy?
Yeah, they're all good. Try them out. There you go.
I'm gonna do Skitty, Dosey, or Funny. I think Funny.
Yeah, he's a good one. He's good at scooping.
Okay, Dad, let's play. I can doze, look.
Yeah, good dozing. He can doze or scoop a little bit, can't he? Alright, working hard.
Do you need Skitty?
Yeah. That way he has a little bit of a scoop. Scoop him
Skitty
right
has big old bucket than Funny.
I think Fronty has a little, well, they're kind of
Can I
almost the same
see?
size. One's a little deeper, but one's a little wider. And this one's a little deeper. I think Fronty's a little wider. We
I
might-
want Skitty because he's caterpillar.
Okay.
Beep, beep. Wonder if I, hey Dad, let's make team of trucks where we get to pick which truck that we get to use. Look at my load in my bucket,
Yeah.
Daddy. Dad, let's make a truck thingy. On my truck thingy, it's gonna be Caterpillar, Ski, this guy, Tonka, Dosey, and Skitty. No, let's just share them.
Yeah. You can take turns. Whatever job you need done, just use the truck that's right for that job. If you need a dig, use a digger.
Look at my bucket full.
If you need a doze, use a dozer.
Look at my bucket full.
Ooh, good one.
I like to use those.
Oh, good.
And Dad, let's use the excavator over there.
All right.
I could only those.
Yeah. I'll break it up for you, doze.
Why? Let's just push it up to get the job done. Oh,
Whoa.
I'll try.
Whoa.
We kicked the door. Let's go back.
He did.
Ow, I'm stuck. Uh-oh, I think I knocked some dirt down on me. Ow. 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 Funny, are you alright? I'm fine. I'll help. Ugh. Oh! Funny. The front loader. Front loader, funny. Hey, should we go get that dynamite thingy again?
Yeah. Or find something else to pretend is dynamite.
It could help us.
Yeah.
Let's go get the dynamite.
It's probably hard to find.
Oh, there's a train. I want to watch it.
All right.
Show the camera.
Kyler's watching the trains.
I think we're gonna mush that together with that train. Mush it together with the. Okay, you can be done. Let's keep going. We're gonna gonna put that on the other pole for sure.
Okay.
Maybe you could guys cross that pole.
Yep.
Whoa. Taking dirt down.
Don't fall. Oh
Uh-oh,
no!
avalanche!
Avalanche!
An avalanche is falling.
That's covering him. His friends are gonna have to save the day.
I'm coming.
Ooh. Oh no, now they're both stuck.
Maybe I could dump some dirt right here. I'll dump dirt. But the dirt became an avalanche.
Oh no, all the dirt became an avalanche.
Whoa! What did I just do?
Oh no.
This is just not my day. Now we have to start all over again.
Oh
Well,
no.
kids, looks like this has to end.
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna have to clean all this up.
Oh, it's gonna take. It's gonna take months to clean this up.
Yeah.
Not unless our truck would help.
What a
Can
disaster.
you help, Dumpy? I don't really think so because I'm tied. I'm tied to X-Key, and I can't help. I'm flipped over. I can't help. I'm stuck on the funnies, but
Well, Look what.
and I can't help either.
I can help though. Maybe I can push Dumpy out,
Oh,
and then he can help. And I can help pull X-Key.
he got. Look. Let's pretend that won't work. Let's pretend it'll take a while. Look. Oh, yuck.
Oh man.
Oh, guess we're gonna have to have me.
Yeah.
And let's help. Let's use the John Deere one.
All right, teamwork.
Ready?
Good teamwork.
Cool.
Now he can help.
Oh, how am I going to get out? That's okay. I'll just dig dirt off for you.
Good work.
I need some of your help.
Uh,
Cozy. Oh, whoa.
shake him off, shake him off. Good work. Good teamwork, guys. Everyone's free. Now you can use your track wheels to get out.
The trucks are coffee.
The trucks are coughing.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Good. You got too
Now,
much dirt?
now how are we ever going to get this all done again?
Oh man, it's like we're starting over.
Well, we need help. We need lots of help.
Think we can do it as a team.
Okay, let's dig. I'm gonna use tractor. I'm gonna use Skiddy.
All right.
I'll use Skiddy and Funny. Okay, dump truck, over here. How about we make a ramp for us to drive up?
That would be a good
Now,
idea.
Yeah. Oh, yep. When the little bugs crawled into it.
He saw bugs. He's afraid of bugs.
The bugs came out of beauty. Okay, let's normal goofing around. Let's dig.
Yeah, let's dig.
Can you help me with somebody? Whoa. I think the frog can use Yuck!
What?
He threw the frogs. Hey, there's a walk. Nope, let's get this walk out of here. The other. Whoa, beautiful. Is it funny? Yes. This is no time for collecting walks. Just leave them. Okay, but they look so nice. I wish we could load them into the dumpster. Now let's this for all